Every year, millions of people around the world lose their lives due to the heart related diseases. What's even more concerning is that many of these deaths could be prevented with basic awareness and early action. Most people think heart disease means only a heart attack, but that's not true. Heart disease includes many different conditions such as blocked arteries, heart failure, irregular heartbeat, and sudden cardiac arrest. Welcome to BioBoard classes. Here we simplify important biology topics so everyone can understand them. In this video, we will clearly explain what heart disease is, different types, their causes, and the basic things everyone should know, all in simple language. So let's begin by understanding the basics of heart disease. Heart disease is not just one illness, it's a group of conditions that affect different parts of the heart, such as heart muscles, blood vessels, valves, or even the heartbeat itself. Some heart diseases develop slowly over the years, while others can appear suddenly. Now that we know what heart disease is, let's look at the main types of heart diseases. There are several types of heart diseases, each affecting the heart in a different way. Let's go through them one by one, starting with the most common type. First, let's talk about coronary artery disease. It happens when the blood vessels that supply the heart become narrowed or blocked due to plaque buildup. This reduces oxygen rich blood to the heart, causing chest pain and increasing the risk of heart attack. If this blockage becomes severe, it can lead to something even more dangerous, a heart attack. It occurs when the blood flow to part of the heart is suddenly blocked. This is a medical emergency and requires immediate treatment because prolonged blockage can permanently damage the heart muscles. While a heart attack affects blood flow to the heart, there is another condition that stops the heart altogether, cardiac arrest. It is one of the most serious heart related emergencies. It happens when the heart suddenly stops beating effectively, causing blood flow to the brain and body to stop. Unlike a heart attack, it is usually caused by electrical problems in the heart that disrupt its rhythm. A person in cardiac arrest collapses suddenly, becomes unresponsive, and stops breathing normally. Immediate CPR and defibrillation are critical. Without quick treatment, cardiac arrest can be fatal within minutes. Many people confuse heart attack with cardiac arrest, but they are not the same. A cardiac arrest is an electrical failure of the heart, whereas heart attack is a circulation problem. Surviving cardiac arrest depends on immediate response, and repeated heart damage can also lead to long term problems like heart failure. Heart failure does not mean the heart has stopped working, it means the heart is too weak to pump blood efficiently, causing symptoms like tiredness, swelling, and shortness of breath. Now, let's talk about problem related to heart's rhythm. Arrhythmia refers to abnormal heart rhythms. The heart may beat too fast, too slow, or irregularly. Some are harmless, while others can be life threatening. Another important part of the heart that can be affected is the heart valve. When heart valves don't open or close properly, blood flow becomes disturbed. This can put extra pressure on the heart and may require medication or surgery. Some heart diseases are present from birth. These are called congenital heart diseases. These are structural problems in the heart that exist from birth. Some are mild and don't cause symptoms, while others require surgery early in life. Now that we understand the types, let's discuss what causes heart diseases. Heart disease often develops due to a combination of lifestyle and medical factors. Poor diet, smoking, inactivity, and chronic conditions like diabetes play a major role. Understanding the causes helps us focus on the prevention. The good news is that many heart diseases are preventable. Simple lifestyle changes can significantly reduce the risk and improve heart health. Let's wrap up everything we have learned today. Heart diseases come in many forms, but awareness and early action can save lives. Taking care of heart today means healthier future tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.